Come on over here. So what I want to do today is I want to take the collard greens off in the back, the ones that are not looking too hot. I'm going to move these and we're going to put them over there with the ones that's looking good, right? And I want to move, you know, I need to put it in a better spot. It's not doing too well. So I might just move this one and I might switch out the citrus for this one. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it, but I already have a citrus tree right here, so I may have to go all the way down there. And I want to close up the border down over there at the end, close to the street. And these holes, so I decided to, these holes that my husband has created in the garden, we're going to fill them up springtime with the grass that we get from cutting grass, the grass clippings. We're going to fill them up, the holes, with those. That's what we're going to do. And then I need to clean all of this up. All of this needs to be cleaned out. But I'm probably not going to clean it out today. The hole's not going to get filled until springtime when we're able to cut the grass. And we're going to clean this up when we got time to clean it up. Okay? We'll figure it out. Put this stick right here. All right, we want this bad boy, so my son is helping me. He's cutting the wood off so it's easy accessible.
Where is this? Is this all right there?
Right there. Property line stops where that stick stops at. So the fence will come this way. So now I need one more long one. Another long one.
No. Not that we can gather. After I even branched into all of this stuff.
Oh, okay. You got it? Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, so this is what we got so far. It's a backbreaker. Whew. So we want to close this off, close that off, and extend that one. And close this off right here. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take the little collard greens over there, and I'm going to move them over here. See how this one is not so happy? Another one. I need another spot. Do I have another one? Look at that. Oh. Dang. My bad. My bad. Alright, so now that it's not raining, we're going to try this again. I hope it works. Okay, guys, I am done. It's something on this side that's going on. The garden is coming to a conclusion. It's halfway done, I want to say. I gotta border I have to border a patch over there, and then I want to run something all the way down the property line and then make some more patches right there where the holes are at. And yeah, then we'll be done. We'll be actually finished with the garden, and then I can really start getting into the ground and putting some seeds down. I'm gonna have to clear out all these plants and clean this ground up, and hopefully by fall it'll be where I want it to be. But I know these things take time, so. But I ain't gonna hold up too much of your time, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. It's getting dark out. I gotta get inside and it's getting cold. So until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby. Alright, you guys, my son is gonna try the arugula. Go ahead, taste it.
Oh my god.
What?
Is it supposed to taste like chicken?
It tastes good.
What is this?
It's arugula.
Why does it taste like
Seasoning?
noodle seasoning?
Is it spicy?
Mm-mm.
It's good.
No.
No?
It's weird. It's all over the place.
Alright, so before we go, I'm going to get me some greens for dinner tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm going to eat my collard greens for the first time. Oh, they prickly? Why ain't nobody tell me collard greens got prickly? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Did I take from this one? Thank you. Now you know arugula, I got to get some of you too, arugula. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. I'm putting these in dinner tonight.